Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drywall sanders available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, making the right choice can save you a lot of time and effort. Stick around to the end to find out which drywall sander takes the top spot. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video.
Kicking off our list at number 5. We have the Viver Drywall Sander 850W. For those of you on a budget, this is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $89.99. Despite its low price, the Viver offers a solid feature set, starting with a 7-level variable speed range of 800 to 1750 RPM, powered by an 850W pure copper motor. It's a good choice for light to medium sanding tasks, and its ergonomic design makes it relatively easy to handle. The Viver features a telescopic frame that extends from 1.4 meters to 1.7 meters, giving it decent reach for ceilings and walls. It also includes a 360 degrees LED light strip, which is handy for working in dimly lit areas. However, its dust collection system only achieves about 80% efficiency, which falls short of its competitors. On the plus side, it's foldable for easy storage and transport, making it a convenient option. While the Viver is a good entry-level sander for basic home DIY projects, it lacks the power and dust extraction efficiency that professionals might require. If you're on a tight budget and don't mind a bit of extra cleanup, the Viver might be the fit for you. Coming in at number 4 is the MyTall Electric Drywall Sander. Priced at $95.19, this sander offers a feature-rich experience, including a powerful 7.2 amp motor and an impressive variable speed range of 900 to 1800 RPM. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks, from drywall sanding to ceiling and floor sanding, making it a versatile choice for both homeowners and contractors. The MyTall stands out with its auto dust vacuum system, which combines a ring cleaning brush, flexible dust hose, and collection bag to minimize cleanup. The dual-layer LED light ring is another thoughtful addition, ensuring consistent lighting in darker work environments. The foldable handle and retractable extension rod make it easy to store and adjust for different heights, adding convenience to its overall design. However, at 16.27 pounds, it's one of the heavier options on this list, which could lead to fatigue during extended use. Additionally, while the dust collection system is effective, it doesn't quite reach the efficiency of higher-end models. Overall, the MyTall is a great mid-range option for those seeking performance and versatility without breaking the bank. Taking the number 3 spot is the Protemex Drywall Sander, a powerful option that strikes a balance between price and performance. At $99.98, the Protemex features a robust 1,000-watt motor with a top speed capability of 2,200 RPM, making it the fastest sander on this list. It's perfect for tackling tough jobs like popcorn ceiling removal and sanding painted walls. The Protemex boasts a built-in vacuum system with an impressive 98.5% dust collection efficiency. Combined with its 360 degrees LED light and detachable edge, it excels in precision work in corners and dark areas. The adjustable extension pole, ranging from 4.9 to 6.2 feet, ensures you can handle both low and high surfaces with ease. Additionally, the lightweight construction at just 8.93 pounds makes it comfortable for extended use. On the downside, the Protemex's durability may not match that of premium options, and its accessories, while comprehensive, are slightly less refined. Nevertheless, this is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who need high performance without a hefty price tag. In second place, we have the Cuperia 8.5 amp drywall sander, a premium option for those who want top-notch performance. Priced at $129.99, it features an 8.5 amp motor and a 7-speed variable range of 800 to 1800 RPM, making it ideal for a variety of sanding tasks. It comes with both basic and upgraded grid sandpapers, the latter being 3 times more durable, offering excellent value out of the box. What sets the Cuperia apart is its dual-channel auto vacuum system, which achieves dust collection efficiency of up to 99%. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who value a clean workspace. The detachable chassis and 360 degrees LED light strip allow for precise sanding in corners and poorly lit areas. The lightweight design at 8.5 pounds and telescopic handle, adjustable from 3.9 to 5.5 feet, add to its ease of use. While the Couperia is slightly pricier than other options, its superior dust collection, build quality, and additional accessories make it a reliable choice for professionals and serious DIYers. If you're looking for a premium, hassle-free sanding experience, the Couperia is hard to beat. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Wen DW584 drywall sander. Priced at $145.87, this is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. It features a 5-amp motor and a variable speed range of 600 to 1500 RPM, delivering reliable performance for a wide range of sanding tasks. The standout feature is its dual head design, which allows you to switch between triangular and circular heads without tools, making it incredibly versatile. The Wen DW584 excels in dust collection, thanks to its improved hole configuration and 15-foot dust hose. It comes with an assortment of sanding discs and a collapsible body for easy transport. While it's slightly heavier, at 16.3 pounds, the ergonomic design compensates for this, ensuring comfort during extended use. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, making it a worthwhile investment. While the Wen is the most expensive option on this list, its unmatched versatility, powerful performance, and dust management make it the clear winner. If you want a drywall sander that can handle any job with ease, the Wen DW584 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which drywall sander you're planning to get, or if you have any questions about the products we covered. I'll see you in the next one.